How to make your birthday private on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your birthday private on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and click on it and you will see settings, and then go down and you will find here this one, profile information. Click on it and go down and click here edit, on basic info click edit, and now just click on this one here and click more options, and you can make it only for you or anything you want, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.